Hello, I'm Goda from SimHelp.com. Today we're having a small talk with Karen Tyson, a director from Simulator Support Services Ltd, also known as SimuService, a full flight simulator spare and repair company from the UK. Hello, Karen.
Hello.
What parts of the full flight simulators break most often?
Oxygen masks. Crew throw them on the floor and they come back to us regularly. That and power supply.
What are the ways of guaranteeing top quality repair?
Giving us as much information as possible about the fault that you're sending in. We then evaluate the equipment, quote the cost and repair it and return it within 28 days, and then offer a warranty of 90 days up to 6 months depending on how old the equipment is. That way you're confident your repair will actually be carried out thoroughly. We also offer an exchange repair service, so if we've got an item in stock which you've got down, we'll exchange it for you so you're not without usage at all. A managed process in that everything we repair is allocated with an RMA number, so it's got full traceability and you can be confident that your equipment is safe in our network.
What was the most challenging project SimuService has ever had?
We started with a basic idea that the industry needed a quicker turnaround, a more conscious care service, not dependent on the manufacturers, who are very good at what they do, but are not as interested in repairing items. So the launch was the hardest part. Now we've built our core business, we're looking to work with new partners to develop the market.
Is it easy to find a good engineer to join the team?
Not as you would imagine. A lot of the engineers that we work with have got a really good skill set. Most of them are more mature. The key for the industry now is to develop younger simulation technician engineers with more core skills. But our network of engineers are in place, give us full support and are very reliable.
What is your competitive advantage in the market?
We consider ourselves to be a dedicated resource for this industry. We offer a profile purely for flight simulation, and we try and discuss with our clients what their requirements are, so we're always developing our services accordingly.
What would you say is the most interesting part of your work?
My customers. They've always got a new challenge and they always want to find new ways to work together, and it's a very, very pleasant industry to work in. Everyone's very positive and supportive, and it's a really good time for you to be launching into the market.
What do you think on SimHelp project?
I think it's adventurous. I wish you every success with it, hope to work with you more closely, and I think you'll be very, very, very successful for the industry. A whole package of services is a really good thing to offer.
Maybe you remember the fastest repair you have ever had. How much time did it take?
Turn it around to return it, 9 working days. We had a simulator in Manchester in the UK, had a huge power surge, and they had 12 power supplies that failed all at once. We collected them, repaired them and returned them in full working order within 9 working days.
Thank you for talking with us today.
My pleasure, thank you very much.